Hi everyone, let me tell you something. I had a dream. I had a dream of going to grad school in the US.
Translation.
I had a dream of going $100,000 in debt so I could begin my career in software engineering in the US.
The program that I applied for had a requirement to upload an audiovisual recording of how I have solved an engineering problem.
And I haven't shown it to anyone else, so today is your lucky day.
Honestly, I had so much fun making it. Now I want to ditch engineering and become a YouTuber full-time.
Forever and ever and ever till the end of time.
Help me make this video viral.
Please.
At the previous startup I worked at, our team was developing a Chrome extension that creates the perfect bug report. When I joined, I was assigned the task of capturing console logs and network logs so that non-technical people can easily report bugs to the dev team without much confusion. The requirements for this engineering problem were: first, using a readily available Chrome API; second, not forcing the user to open the Chrome DevTools tab. I got my pen and paper to start brainstorming on how I could achieve this. In a Chrome extension, network logs can be captured using
chrome.devtools.network.get.har.
But sadly, we cannot use this straightforward solution because this requires the DevTools to be open. After hours spent on Stack Overflow, I found that chrome.debugger is also a viable solution, but it shows this warning banner that we do not want to bother our users with. One possibility is using Chrome's web request API, which can capture request headers, response headers. Unfortunately, it doesn't capture the response bodies. We can still make this work because it doesn't require the DevTools to be open. For capturing the response body, we can inject code into the background script and match it with the corresponding request using its unique ID. Then I took my notes to the computer to test out these hypotheses by writing the code for it. This is how it turned out. We have this toggle button that starts capturing the logs when turned on. When I press the report button, the bug report is created with the network logs that we require. This is what the code is doing. In the background script, the web request API is listening and storing all the network details. The injected script is also listening specifically for type XHR or fetch, which will contain the response bodies. This is processed, matched, stored in a queue structure to avoid memory bloating. When the report issue button is pressed, network log array is sent to the backend server. In the front end, it is fetched, parsed through to be displayed like this. Because this engineering problem didn't have a clear-cut solution, I wrote a blog about it on my website to document it, explain it to my team members, and possibly help out anyone struggling with a similar problem.
Wasn't that just amazing? But guess what?
She didn't get in.